I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify with Rowifi. Rowifi is a powerful bot designed to bridge your Roblox and Discord communities, offering a smooth and efficient way to manage members. By verifying, you link your Roblox account to your Discord profile, which allows for automatic updates to your roles and nicknames based on your Roblox group affiliations. This ensures your Discord server accurately reflects your Roblox community structure. To start the verification process, simply type the /command/verify in your Discord server. In some servers, you might also find a convenient link account button within a welcome message. Clicking this or using the command will redirect you to the official Rowifi website. Here, you will securely sign in and authorize the connection between your Discord and Roblox accounts, ensuring your data remains protected. After authorizing on the Rowifi website, you will confirm access to finalize the link. Once successful, head back to your Discord server. Type the /update command to instantly synchronize your Discord roles and nickname with your Roblox account details. Rowifi also allows you to link several Roblox accounts to one Discord profile, offering flexibility to switch your active account using a simple command. Rowifi provides a robust system for managing your community, including highly customizable binds. These binds allow you to automatically assign Discord roles based on Roblox group membership, ranks, or even specific assets. With features like these, Rowifi helps thousands of Discord servers and millions of members maintain seamless integration, ensuring accurate and up-to-date community management with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.